All right, Janessa, you need your function notation notes, Unit 5-4. Function notation is the method for writing variables as functions. So I'm going to write an equation. Y equals 4x plus 2. Instead of a y, I can write the function of x equals 4x plus 2. I can write g to the x equals 4x plus 2. But ultimately, they all mean the same thing, 4x plus 2. It doesn't matter whether you see a y, an fx, or a gx, okay? So we are going to solve equations. Now, this will make sense as we do it. So look at this first one here. It says if the f of x is 5, so all it's telling me is what to replace. So whenever I see an x, I'm going to put a 5 in parentheses. So 9, I'm just going to write out x plus 24, plus 42. So instead of that x I see right here, I'm going to write a 5 in parentheses. Then if I type that out into my calculator, I'll get the f of x is equal to 87. Let's do the same thing here. So I'm looking to replace that x with a 0. So I have the problem 1/2 x plus 9. So wherever I see that x, instead of the x, this information tells me that I just replace it with a 0. 1/2 times 0 plus 9 would equal 9. All right, this one, whenever I see an x, I'm going to put in a -2. So negative 14 times -2, that's a -8. If you put this in your calculator, you'll get the f of x equals 20. Put numbers in parentheses when you replace them for an x. So turn to the next page and we'll do some practice. Turn over to the back page and we're going to do some practice. I'm going to do the first one for you, and then I need you to do the other 5 and send me a picture. All right, our inputs are what we are going to replace our x with. And this is our problem, y equals 3x. So in this first one, instead of writing 3x, we're going to replace it with that 0. And before I said you need to put it in parentheses. So 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is 3. For this next one, I'm going to use my 3x. But this time, instead of an x, I'm going to write the 1. Because I see it right here. 3 times 1 is 3. Whoa, that one is 0. I'm so sorry. All right, the next one, 3x is the problem, but instead of x this time, I write a 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Next one, 3x. Instead of an x, I'm going to write a 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The last one, 3x. Instead of that x, I'm going to write a 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And then these are like coordinates. This one would be 0, 0. The next one will be 1, 3. The next one would be 2, 6. So you don't have to do that. I just want to make sure you understand that those are like coordinates. So let's do the first one on the rest of the problems, and then you can finish it. So my equation I'm going to use on this first one, this number 2, is x plus 2. X plus 2. Well, whenever I see a 2, whenever I see an x in the first one, I'm going to replace it with a negative 2. Negative 2 plus x is a 0. So you do that for every one of them. X plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, and then replace it for the number. Number 3, I'm going to do the first one for you again. I've got 2x minus 3. Whenever I see that x in the beginning, I'm going to replace it with a 2. That means when I type this in my calculator, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3, that'll be a 1. You do it again. 2x minus 3, instead of the x, you'll use a 4. So on. For number 4, we're going to use x minus 5. Instead of x minus 5, I'm going to replace that x with a negative 2. Negative 2 minus 5 is a negative 7. All right. Number 5. We know that line means divide. So it's x divided by 2. Well, instead of an x in the first one, I'm going to say negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 is a negative 5. And last one. Okay, the problem I have in this one is x divided by 2 plus 3. X divided by 2 plus 3. Instead of the x, I'm going to use a negative 8. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4 plus 3 is a negative 1. Okay, the next one, you'll have a negative 6 on top. Divided by 2 plus 3. All right, so do this page. Send me a picture. And then on this next page, it looks like this. I want you to do number 2. Only fill in the chart. So x minus 2 instead of minus 2. Instead of x, I'm going to use a negative 2. Negative 2 minus 2 is a negative 4. And remember, I told you these are like coordinates. Negative 2, negative 4. You're going to come over to your graph, and you're going to graph it. I go backwards 2, down 4, and that's where my first dot is. You'll answer next 4, you'll get dots, and you'll connect them on a line, kind of like it looks like in number 1. So I need you to do 2 through 6 on the previous page and number 2 on this page and send me pictures. Thank you.